Now, after we added the models, let's start actually add some real data. Let's add our first store. Now, let's go to categories and then add the first one, devices. Keyboards, and cables. I also did add some products. So now, as you can see in the products, I only have the name field. But you know, the product will have a category and will have a price, a stock number. So let's start customize the model and go to Smart Designer. Let's start by adding a float for the price, a number for a stack number. Let's click on the float. Let's name it price. And for the number field, let's name it stock number. Now let's go back to the dashboard and then click refresh model design. And if you open the quick create, you'll see the new field, price and stock number. You'll notice as well, and these two fields are not shown on the table. To do so, go to quick create and then go to field and then display an item list. And you can easily update your products. However, we still did not assign any of these products to any of our categories. So let's do that. Go back to the designer and then scroll down the relation field. Drop the relation field. Open the field property and then go down to data source. Choose which model it will be the source for this field. We choose categories. Let's don't forget to name the field category. Going back, update the model design again, and then you'll see a new field named category. And the data inside this field will be the category, the same category we are added inside the model. And there is actually a more easy way to add the related field in the designer. Here on existing model relation, you could see all the possible relations, and simply you could just drag the field and you're gonna make the same relation for categories. Let's update our data. Devices, save. And let's make sure the field will show up in the table. Now let's go to category. Sometimes you might want to add immediately products related to these categories, or maybe edit them or see them. So better way than go to product and see them over there. You could do that by going to Smart Designer on this model. Scroll down to related grid field. Go to property and then choose the model source. and then you'll see the relation field you have added previously. So to be able to apply this feature, you have to make sure you have already made a related between these two models. Let's select the field. Let's go back and update model design. As you can see, this is a table related to product model. We forgot to name the field. Let's go to field property from here and then name it related products. So now for example, let's go to devices. Here you can see the related product to this category. And you can add more products. The category field will not show because he will be default set to this category. And you can edit this product as well. You can delete them and do all the other actions.